开上。K2. Okay.
Now it's jog mode. We can press shift, turn it to be stepping mode, and press again. It will be back jog.
Okay. Okay.
We can press these buttons to control the motion to move, like this. And this is slow mode, and we can press 5 buttons to be higher, mode, faster speed.
Okay.
Now we will set the two lengths, each two lengths. Press menu, 550 torch inch, and now it's 6 to 12, and the current torch number is 3. Now we use the 3 and press ESC to be back, and press the shift and 6 together, and we can see to perform mirror tool. Press OK. Okay. So he has the system has got the tool length of number 3.
Okay. Okay.
Now we will use this controller to set the working original point. Now we put the calibrator here and press shift and number 9 together. So now we have used the calibrator to find the Z axis 0, and then press X and Y. Press OK. So now XY is 0 and 9 is 0, 2 if we put the Z-axis to be touch the surface of the material.
Okay. Six and 1.
1.
Press same time. Take it out. Okay.
Press menu and choose 5. We need to enter the password. The password is 335875550. Press OK.